Okay, before we start, may I ask Vice President to lead the prayer? Please rise, everybody. Kami prayer.
May you guide us all may you guide us and may you guide serve our as well as the us as a next. May we understand every lesson that we are going to go through. Thank you.
Okay, remain standing. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Mark. It's nice to see you again.
So how do you do? I'm fine also. Before you sit down, face your face and say, I'm happy that you're here. Okay, before you sit down, you should also brush around and sit down. Arrange yourself and then eyes on me, focus on my instructions, okay? Miss Secretary, who is absent? Okay, I'm happy that all is present. Okay. Beginning of the past lesson, what, ano yung last yung lesson? Do you still remember class? Sino nakakaalala? Just raise your right. Okay.
Rules and regulations about volleyball.
Okay, rules and regulations about volleyball. Thank you. So, how about the history of volleyball? Do you still remember that? What was the first name of volleyball? First name of volleyball? Go. I give you one for your shot. Okay. Mintonet, very good. Next, in 1910, who introduced volleyball in the Philippines? Who introduced volleyball in the Philippines? L.S. L.S. Right. Very good. Okay. I won't take your Okay. What are the equipments this thing are? Please enumerate all of those. Okay, I will give example. Net or dashers. Net or dashers. We call that volleyball ball. And sige. Uniform. Uniform. We're talking about the weakness. Okay.
Where is he?
So, di ba net, volleyball, antena, the court. So, last. What is the name of the creator of the William G. Morgan, yes. Alright. So, before we continue class, please rest everyone. And then we will have work activity. And we will go to work our so, sige. Amen, so, siguro 8 hours. First, galing pace, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, go. 1, walking pace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next, have this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Balik. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, shoulders together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Balik. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Select the practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Show up, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So last up down. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Balik. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's do jumping up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the exercise goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is it. Okay, bago tayo pumunta sa ating lesson, so I want you to, ipagilid mo ako, then all your things. Okay, that's before we proceed, we will have a third day activity. We will have a short game activity. Our activity will be called Bounce to Your Best. So you will be bouncing your best. So you will be grouped into 4 groups equally. So count 1 to 4. 1, 4. Tandaan niyo yung 4. 1. Louder. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So, kapag group 1, hindi na kayo dito. Faster, group 2 here. Group 2. Bayan. So, faster. Bilang yung group 1. Christian. 8. Group 2. Group 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Group 3, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. So, sino kaya sasama sa aking dalawang magkakasama? So, set, ikaw. Hindi ko masama. Yeah. Sir, isa. Sir. Seven, 2, 4, 6. Wala kayo sa information. Game.
6 na ba?
Ay, isa.
Sino na sa
8. O, di ba titinig? So, lahat na ba 7? Lahat na ba 7? Bilangin mo ba? Okay, uno kayo doon, uno. So, kuya ko ano po? Cheers. Meron mo ito. Puno pa ba kayo? Makain po kayo. Okay lang tawakan yung camera. Okay. This is the line. The line. So, our game or our activity, our equipment here are balloons and chairs. So, each of the team will be given a balloon. Each of the team will be given a balloon. Okay, this game called Bounce Your Best will be divided into 4 groups equally. Our equipment here in the games are balloons and chairs. Each of the group have one balloon and this is free. So each team lines up behind the starting line. The first player in each line is given a balloon. So on the signal, the first player bouncing the balloon in your palms, using your palms hand. It can be under hand or over underhand or overhead. Can be underhand or overhead. So for the clarification of whom the balloon must be continuously bounced, if the balloon touches the ground, the player must start over from the beginning. Players is allowed to walk or run. Players must stay within the designated boundaries. Only one player from each other can be played in an entire day. So, pagka-bounce yung balloon, pagka-balloon nila ay magkano siya for designated starting point. So, ipapasa nila lang. Ipapasa nila lang. Oh, ay sorry. Okay, ipapasa nila. Pero nasa ano ka? Hindi ka lang sila. Okay. So, hanggang 5 minutes na ito, pag hindi pa natatapos kung sino mo lang kasi yung kulang pinakamarami ng panalo. Okay? Okay. Handa na ba kayo?
No!
Handa na ba kayo?
Yes!
Yes, okay. The game starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God!
Start. Okay, last 2 minutes. nagsabi? Sino yung sabi ko na natapos? Sino ba wala ko? Okay, sino ba wala? Okay, now, what did you observe in the game? So, what are the fundamental skills you use in playing the game? Anyone? Okay, yeah. What did you observe in the game? Anything?
I observed in the game, sir, that there are advantages that other team does not have. While our team, the group team, has an electric fan blowing away the ball.
Okay. Thank you. So, sino pa? So, sorry hindi ko kasi alam naman ako sa electric fan dapat pala. So, ano yung mga skills na nagamit ko sa panlalaro? So, okay. Yeah, about control. What other? Sino pa? Passing, yeah. Next, sino pa? Ano kaya? Yeah, exactly. Gumagamit tayo ng underhand and overhead. Yun yung movement na ginagawa natin sa laro. And we also develop footwork, right? Kasi kailangan tama yung pag-ikot mo. Kailangan meron ka proper execution ng footwork. And also, we develop hand and eye coordination. Tama ba? Okay. So let's proceed. Now you understand that the game will provide the foundation for the skills using in playing volleyball. Now, do you still remember class what are the 6 basic skills in volleyball? Ate, what are the 6 basic skills? Go on. Correct, serving. What else? Digging, yes. Digging. Setting. Passing. Hitting or? What that? Spiking. Last one. Okay. Thank you, Ate. Very good. So, but now I only we will going to execute only the 4 basic skills in volleyball. And in order to execute those 4 basic skills, there is a mystery behind this box. Mystery behind this box. And you will be going to do again in 4. Same group na lang, same group. So, pero pwede lang sumama sa group kung dalawa si akin. So, group 1, dito na lang kayo. Okay, faster group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Okay, faster. Circle na kayo, circle. Circle. Circle na lang. Circle. Okay. First group, ito muna pala. So, the mystery inside this bag is puzzle. So, we will go to form the puzzle para malaman nyo kung ano yung i-execute nyo. Go! Pwede mo! Pwede mo! Okay. Galing mo na siya. Wait! So, eto yung mga guide nyo. Tingnan nyo lang dito. This will be your guide. Kumarap kayo dito. Hindi, kulang kayo dyan. Kumarap kayo dito. So, stand up with one. So, ano yung nabulong sa puzzle? Anong basis? Setting. So, meron kasi dito na kumakaroon ng concept. Ano yung concept? Sige, do you have idea how to execute a proper set? In pose. So setting is like so ang setting ay mag-perform ka ng triangle above your head. Okay. And then you have stand with your feet and shoulders width apart. And then you need to as the ball approaches coming to you. So contact the ball with the triangle. Pero hindi naman siya like magka-triangle na gano'n. Pwede po mo konti. Diba? Tapos dapat relax yung pinakamalala. Guys, yung list kasi natin. So, makalain sa ito. Okay, next, sino mo sa ganda na tapos? Kaya? Okay. So, anong skill sa tingin nyo na nabuo nyo? Service. Yes, tama, service. So, meron nga tayo ibang klase ng service, di ba? Meron tayo underhand, and you also have sidebar, overhead, meron pa ng jump serve, di ba? And then also, may floater din, mga techniques yun. So, ano na naman, nasa service na naman, paano i-step na yung nagawin natin para magkaroon ka ng force. Tapos, anong pinaka-important sa serving bago mag-serve? Bago mag-serve? Ha? Nadinig ko? No. Release. You need to release the ball, right? Okay. Sinong, imagine that you have board play. Imagine that you have a net here. Then you will go into serve. Ano mas comfortable sa'yo? Master? Underhand. Ganun mo. Release. Okay. Okay. Sit down muna. Next. Ano? Spiking. Spiking. So in spiking, you need to jump as high as you can. Tama ba? Okay. You need to jump as high as you can. So, as the ball approaches coming to the center, so, kailangan mo extend yung hitting arm mo. Tama ba? Extend your hitting arm, and then you need to hit the ball downward para mas malakas. Pinaka-important sa spiking, mataas na ito. Tama ba? So, let's try. Spiking. So, paano mo gagawin yung spiking? Okay, pwede na yan. Okay. Ano yung nakuha yung puzzle? Receiving. Or passing. Simply passing. May magkaiba kasi yung passing sa leading. So, ano yung nawalang skill natin ngayon? Blocking at saka leading, di ba? Etong passing naman, so, basically, we use forearm pass. Forearm. Okay. Paano mo ginagawa yung yung passing mo? Paano yung correct position? Tama. Ipapatong mo yung ipapatong mo yung kanan kamay mo, ay kaliwang kamay mo, or yung non-dominant hand, to your right hand. Your dominant hand. Okay, depende sa inyo. Kaya hindi ko kayo mas comfortable. Basta ganito yung correct position. And then, dapat, comfortable din yung position nyo. Hindi pwedeng na... Hindi pwedeng nakaganon ka. Dapat medyo nakaganon ka. Depende din kasi siya sa ano. Depende din siya sa... sa pupuntahan ng bola. So kapag pupunta doon, okay, sino gusto mong magtayo ng taas? Isa pa. Isa pa. Okay, very good. So, pwede na alam ko kayo. Then, ibalik yung process mo kung ayusin niyo muna yung mga processes, ibalik mo sa suko. Okay. Balik mo sa suko. Balik mo sa ating mga brothers. Okay, again, what is volleyball? Sino mga magbigay ng definition, define or describe or define volleyball? You. Volleyball. Correct. And usually sa loob ng court, meron tayong ilang players kaya. Yeah, correct. 6. Pero tayong libero na pumapalit with the specific player na kailangan natin. So, total, volleyball requires a skill, coordination, and the fundamental skills that you have to have, and the fundamental skills that are paramount for perform the basic skills in volleyball. So, hand-eye coordination, doing the proper footwork, ano ba? Siyempre, kailangan nila lakas. So, for the evaluation, okay, now by mastering this skill and working together as a team, we can enjoy the exciting and challenging sport of volleyball. So for your basic skills in volleyball, na i-evaluate natin ngayon, bring out your one sheet of paper. Okay, write name, sections, date today, and put ball handling. Okay, ball handling test. Ball handling test. Okay. So, you will be given a maximum of 20 repetition for the ball handling. And for the repetition, this is the equivalence first. 1 to 5 repetitions for 85, 6 to 10, 90, 11 to 15 repetition, and 5. And then, kung sino ang maka 16 to 20, perfect na kayo. 100. So, ngayon, yung mga katabi nyo, kayo dalawa, kayo magka-partner. Partners. Okay, kayo mag-partners sa akin. Partners. And then, so, hindi naman kayo magkakatid dyan. Ang gagawin nila, kung sino yung partner nyo, they are the one who evaluate you. Para yung sa'yo mag-kumpay, hindi tayo matagal. Pero para maging matagal tayo kasi wala kayo nyo. Okay, kaya na guys, sabi lang.
Pwede naman.
Tuloy, ikot tayo lang.
Pupose ba?
Okay. Sino may mga bola? So, kung may mga bola, for your turn, yung mga walang bola. So, Okay, change your partners. Then, sa mga wala pang bola, hinalay sa likod. Sa mga wala pang bola. Okay. Starts now. Pwede na naman mamaya na isip. Hindi lang. Bola lang. Yung option ko lang. Kasi isa si Ate Sonia, yung mga kaparte nyo, tingnan nyo kung ano yung nagawa nila. Ang dami nyo. 20. One to 5, 85 is score. 6 to 10, 90. 11 to 15, 95. And then 15 to 20.
Mahirap kasi di ako sanay sa malambot na bola. Wala. Tapos na ako. Nakapit-lapit na ako.
Sa mga natapos, natutunan na kayo, tapos na kayo. Yung mga natapos para makita natin yung mga hindi natapos. Sige, sir. Naka-poster o inis?
Hindi pa nakita.
Push. Wala pa natin. 95. 95. Sino ka 95? 90. And 85. Okay, for your assignment, practice the remaining 3 basic skills, which are the setting, spiking, and serving. So, it will be our next evaluation as part also of your practical exam. So, that will be all. I hope you learned something and you enjoy. Okay. Thank you, 9 examiners.